Kids Zone with Trishy. Hi friends, welcome back to the Kids Zone with Trishy. That's me. Today we're going to play with a little toy. It's a stacking toy. And it makes a little noise too. And one of the rings makes noise. Which one is making noise? Yes, this one, the clear one. Do you want to take the rings off? Can you say off? Good job. Off. Take it off, take it off, take it off. Take it off, take it off, take it off. So when you say off, I'll take one more ring off. 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 Good job. Do you want to take this one off also? Off. What about this one? The polka dot one. It's a polka dot one. Off. Off. They're all off. They're all off. So now, what shall we do? What shall we do? Yes, let's put them back on. On. Can you say on? When you say on, I'll put them on. Thank you. On. Polka dot. Blue polka dot. On. Which one is next? Pink. Let's do the pink ring. On. Orange. Orange. On. How about the clear one with the little balls in it? See the little balls? On. The black and white striped one. On. What about this one? It's like a yellow one. Yellow. Yellow. On. On. We have them all on. Should we take them off again? Let's take them off. Let's do it really fast. Off. 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 Thank you. Should we put them back on now? Let's do it really slow. On. On. And we'll drop them. Do you want to drop them? So it makes a little clinking noise. On. On. Do you think this is going to make noise? Yes. On. Let's do the yellow one next. On. The last one. The last one. On. We did them all. We put them all on. We took them off and we put them on again. This one has polka dots. Polka dots. This one is pink and it has little ridges. Ridges. Pink. This ring is orange. Orange. And it has little holes in it. Little holes all over it. This one is a fun one. It has little balls in it. Little beads that make noise and go around with all different colors. So much fun. What about this ring? It's yellow with also little ridges around it. Yellow. Can you tell me about this ring? Yes, it's black and white. Black and white. Yay, friends! We
did it again. We put all the rings on. We put them all back on. Thank you. Should we take them off? Let's try putting them on a different way. From the small to the large. From the small rings to the large rings. Yay, we did it! We put them on from small to large.
Don't forget to subscribe. Give me a thumbs up, a like. Thank you.